Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews, and today I've got another episode of Search for Snacks. I found these in my grocery store. Heard they've been coming out for a while and was going down the aisle, and they tucked away in the back on a display where you wouldn't think they would be, with the lunch meat and cheese and stuff, I guess. And I heard they was going to be releasing this. Lay's always puts out a round of chips every year, it seems like, and this is their flavor icon, and this one is going to be the Nashville hot chicken flavored, inspired by Party Fowl in Nashville, Tennessee. Now there's a lot of ones that have the Nashville hot chicken. I don't know if that was the original one or the one that made it most popular or whatever, but there we go. This is going to be the Nashville hot chicken, and it says inspired by the latest flavor icons, inspired by the Party Fowl dish. That's the talk of Tennessee. Here's a taste of their Nashville hot chicken. Taste the flavor icons and discover the flavor of the hottest signature dishes, and you can win prizes. So apparently there's a code or something you can do, and for 15 chips is 150 calories, 190 sodium. And there you go. You can see all the details there if you want. And here we go. It's going to be the Nashville hot chicken, and these are plain chips. So yeah, here we go. Oh man, I can smell that already a little bit. Okay, and this one's actually pretty good. If you kind of puff these up, you do get a lot more. Pretty well. Yeah, so. All right, let's get a good one. All right, so you can fold it over. There's nicely coated. These are the regular chips. They're nice and thin, and hopefully they'll be nice and flavorful as well. So here we go. Lay's Nashville hot chicken chips. Oh, crunchy. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Sneak around the backside. Yeah. No, now I can taste the spices. Peppery. Ooh. Wow. Oh, now I can taste it coating my mouth. That fire comes in there, that spice. Wow, peppery. Very subtle. Oh, now I can taste that. Like the chicken skin almost, yeah. Taste that chicken skin and then that Nashville hot spices, yeah. I don't really taste chicken. I taste like the chicken skin and the coating. That's very good. And I can feel that peppering of my mouth, I guess. That one's pretty good. It's almost like you're eating chicken skin, like crispy chicken skin. Wow, you can taste that Nashville hot that is there. Wow. That is good. Taste the chicken, the spices. With it being that thin, it does kind of simulate like the fried chicken skin, and then that spices clinging to it. Wow. I'm tasting that, the heat from that Nashville, kind of like KFC or pretty much any other Nashville hot that you'd have. Kind of real close on that Nashville hot sauce from like KFC. I've never been to Party Foul, so I don't know what the sauce tastes like, but it is like eating that. I don't taste the pickles now. I think got these little pickles on there, but no pickle. Straight up Nashville hot, and the chicken kind of skin flavor, but that's actually really good. And now I'm getting a little bit of a lingering peppery burn from that. Actually, that's really good. Very subtle, good chicken flavor. Not too salty, not too hot. Just leaves a little bit of tingle in your mouth. All right, so yeah, peppery, very peppery, lingering around. Wow. All right, so for that one, the Lay's Nashville Hot Chicken Chips from the Flavor Icons. Wow, I'm on the fence on this one, but I will have to give that one. I'm gonna have to give that one full 11 out of 11. I like the flavor. I like the crispness and crunchiness. The flavors are on point as far as that Nashville hot. A little bit of heat leaves it tingling, and it really nails the flavor of that Nashville hot sauce, and then also a little bit of the chicken skin vibe coming off of that. So yeah, this is probably my favorite out of the bunch. Some of the other ones that they had were pretty good, and one was not so good, but out of the bunch, this one probably my favorite, the Nashville hot. And then I think I'll go with the Philly cheesesteak was second, then the pizza, and then the last one was the carnitas. Was not so hot street taco one, but anyway, if you want to give them a try, hopefully they're in your store. You can pick them up one bag or all the flavors, and hopefully you guys can try them and let me know what your favorite flavors are. So anyways, there you go. All the Lay's flavors in the books for this year. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell over here. That way you won't miss any future content, or if I go live, you won't miss any of the fun. So until next time on Drew's Food Reviews, and I'll be trying something hot for you. Put these aside and I'll have the rest later because too many chips and hot stuff don't mix well. So until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later.